Yay! Take it up, okay? Wow, look at this. What do we have? A bear. Wow, yeah.
A bug and a bear.
Bug bear. Yes, it's open.
It's open right away. Yay!
What do you have?
Wow.
One by one, one by one. One by one.
What's this?
Put it down. Oh, that's
Look
cute. What was this?
It's a mushroom.
It's a mushroom, and then we have.
Look, we got it.
Yeah.
Yay.
Ooh. And are you ready? I need the wings.
Wait.
The wings.
The what's first?
Yeah, give me the wings. You got it?
Yeah.
And then now, can you give me some felt stickers?
Felt stickers.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. And then the headband.
And then
Oh, well done. Okay. And then the pipe cleaner.
a glitter.
Yep, you got it. You got it. Put it all together. Okay. Need to peel the backing off 2 of the small circles and then press. Good. Step 3. Bend the pipe cleaners to curl each antenna, then put on your headband. Here, open the whole thing. Make it flat on the table. Open the whole thing. Wow. So this is make it flat. Make it flat. Ooh. Okay, off you go.
What's that for?
Up to you, however you want to decorate it. Yes. Okay. Would it be more colorful if it's 2 different colors on both? Okay.
Like this guy cover red. In the middle.
No, I think it's right here. Yep.
Make one. Nice.
Okay. Okay, that's one. Yep.
I know the circle.
Okay.
Here.
Put it where?
Here.
This one is on the outside, so the big circle will be on the outside here.
Okay.
I think it should be parallel, right? Give me a pouch.
Pouch?
Yeah, okay. And then give me some ladybug stickers. Okay. And then string. String,
The
yeah. And then
eyeball,
the wiggle eyes, and then the phone button. Okay, yeah, you got everything. And then the bug eye viewer. Okay, now put all these dot stickers onto the pouch to
Dot
give your ladybug
stickers.
the spot.
It's moving the eye.
Okay, put it in.
One.
Yeah, there's one, and then the other one. See, the butterfly, but then the pattern looks like an owl's eye.
But what's this bug?
This one, this may look like a leaf, but it's actually a leaf butterfly. Can you find the antenna?
Antenna.
Yeah. Yes, and the legs.
Here.
Yes, you're right. And over here, what do we have? It's a strange stick. Oh wait, it's a stick bug. Can you find a stick insect? The long stick, it's actually the body. This one is actually the body. And these are the legs. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Busy bugs. On a sunny day, Kellen the koala, Ella the alligator, and Peter the parrot were playing catch in the backyard. Ella hit the ball especially hard with her snout, and the ball went flying. I'll get it, Kellen called. Kellen reached for the ball and came face to face with a bee. Where's the bee? Where's the bee?
Me?
Yeah. Hello, bee. Do you want to play? He asked. It's a
Oh,
bee.
there, up
Yeah, it's
there.
there. Okay. Now let's go to the next page.
The bee is on the pole.
The bee buzzed away and landed on the rose bush. I think the bee is too busy to play, said Ella. It looks like the flowers are her food. Where's the bee gone now? Where's the bee? Yes, the bees fly to the flowers. I'm not too busy to play, said Peter. Throw the ball to me. But Kellen and Ella didn't hear. They were watching the green grasshopper they had found. Hello, grasshopper, said Kellen. Do you want to play?
Found a grasshopper.
Yeah, and then the grasshopper jumped in the air and landed on the
what?
leaf. And here, look, called Kellen. The grasshopper is eating the leaf. Maybe that's why he hopped away, added Ella. He wanted a yummy snack. Kellen watched some ants walk by carrying seeds. I never knew there were so many bugs, he said, but I think they're all too busy to play with us. I know. Let's pretend we're bugs, said Peter.
Butterfly, and then the neighbor.
Look at me. I'm an ant carrying a seed. Good idea, said Kellen. I'm a bee visiting all the flowers. Buzz, buzz. I'm a grasshopper hopping through the grass, said Ella. These sure are yummy leaves. And the friends were busy. Busy bugs all afternoon. I mean, 6 butterflies with stripes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, good. And then 5 butterflies with spots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And 4 green butterflies.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done. Unbelievable bugs. Let's look at bees. Apparently, bees talk by dancing. They move their bodies and tell each other where to find flowers for food. And then we have fireflies. Fireflies that can light up. Can you point to me where is the light? Where can you see the firefly has light? Yes, they flash their lights to talk to each other. And then the water striders. Which one is the water striders? Xandyr. Yeah, this one. Let's look at some. Water striders can run across the surface of water without falling in. You can find them in all kinds of ponds, rivers, and lakes. And then moving on, we have butterflies. Which one is butterfly? Yes, they comes in many colors and patterns. What is the color of this one?
Brown. Black.
Brown and black. Yeah, what patterns can you see?
Brown, black, white, yellow.
They have big,
another blue here.
yeah, some have big spots that looks like. What do they look like? These big spots, what do they look like?
don't know. Do you not like the eyeball for earlier?
Yeah,
in the start?
exactly. They look like the eyeballs, right? Looks like eye for other animals into thinking that they're big, dangerous animals instead of yummy bugs.
Yeah, but mommy.
Ants can carry things that weigh hundreds of times more than they do. They would be like you carrying a car around.
A car is so heavy.
Yeah, and over here, okay, the last one. Centipedes have lots of legs. Their name means 100-footed. That sounds like a lot, but there are also bugs called millipedes. Their name means 1,000-footed. There's a lot of feet. Can you point me where are the feet? Yeah, all these. Shuffle, shuffle. Yeah, it's all nicely shuffled. Okay, now let's put it, separate them. We have all the cards. Okay, try to flip. Get 2 cards that's matching. Oh, they're not. So we need to flip it back. Continue. Do it again. Nope, they're not the same. Oh, but do you remember where's the stick insects? Yes! Well done! Okay. Oh, butterfly. We know where the butterflies. Exactly, good. No. Oh, you remember where the bee. Is it? No, it's not this bee.
Here, this is the bee.
Yes! Okay, keep going. Keep going. No? Oh, ladybug! Where's the ladybug? No.
The one.
Grasshopper.
Yeah, this one's neighbor.
Yay! Good. No, it's not. Flip it. Yeah, flip it back. Remember where they are? Okay. Yeah, open another 2. Whoa. Yay! Got it!
Oops, I almost got that.
Good, next.
Oh!
Where are the grasshopper? Where's the grasshopper?
Grasshopper?
No, it's not.
The bee